Welcome to tutorial number 6. Shown here is the part that we will create the wireframe geometry for. To begin, choose the Create Rectangle command. Select the origin and sketch a rectangle down here. Change your length to 5.5 and your height to -3. Select the Apply button. Choose Fast Point and enter in the coordinates 0.25, -0.25. Then enter in a width of 5 and a height of -2.5. Select the OK button to exit the command. Then use Fit to Screen. Choose the command Create Circle Center Point. Enter in a radius of 0.375. Then select the midpoint of this line. Click on the Apply button. Change the radius to 0.625 and select the same location. Repeat this step once more using a radius of 1.75. Select the OK button to exit the command. Then use the command Create Arc Tangent. Enable Tangent to one entity and change the radius to 1.441. Select this arc and this quadrant here. Select this arc to keep it. Select the OK button to exit the command. Use the command Trim Break Extend. Enable Trim to Point. Select this arc and choose this endpoint here. Then select this arc and choose this endpoint here. Choose this arc and select this endpoint. Then enable Trim to Entities. Select this arc and this arc here. Enable Divide and divide out this line segment here. Choose the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Create Line Parallel. Select this line and a point above it. Specify an offset distance of 0.25. Select the OK button to exit the command. Use the command Chamfer Entities. Change the distance to 1 and make sure that 1 distance is enabled and trim as well. Create a chamfer on these two edges. Select the OK button to exit the command. Then choose the command Create Line Endpoint. Select the midpoint of this line and sketch a line out here. Change the length to 1.25 with an angle of -45 degrees. Select the Apply button and sketch a line over here. Enter in a line length of 1.25 at an angle of 270 -45. Select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Create Line Parallel. Select this line and choose the offset on either side of your choice. Change your offset amount to 1/4 inch and offset the line to both sides. Repeat this step on the opposite corner. Choose the OK button to exit the command. Select these two lines and delete them. Then use the Trim Break Extend command and enable Trim One Entity. Trim these lines to this arc. Then trim this arc to this line here. Trim this line to this arc here. And also trim this arc to this line. Select the OK button to exit the command. The geometry creation is now complete. Save your file as yourname_6. This will complete the geometry creation portion.